Batho ba borwa dumelang. Why am I not a happy soul? I am so happy, and there's only one reason. One reason and one reason only. A son of the soil, a great warrior of Azania. You know, when I look at this man, when I look at this young man, I am just reminded of Sobukwe. I am reminded of Steve Biko. I am reminded of all the great warriors that Azania has ever had. This one comes in style. His name is General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. He's not just any. He is the chosen one, the true epitome of all things bright and beautiful. He called media houses and said, come here, I'm going to be talking. He never gave them a brief that this is what I'm going to be talking about, because he knows that these media houses, some of them are bought, some of them are being bankrolled by the greatest thugs and criminals you can ever think of. Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi stood up and said, not in my name. And he said, this badge that I'm carrying, I will die for it. You see, people like Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi are the reasons some of us take pride in being South African. He is the reason why some of us will wake up and go and work hard so that we can pay our taxes. Now I'm very much proud to know where my tax money is going. My tax money will not go and fund criminals and their activities. I'm saying, I won't sing a song that everybody's singing without a tune. But this song that I will sing with pride in praise of this young man called Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi is saying, not in my name, all this is going to come to a stop. And he's doing it with pride. A journalist stood up and asked him one question, simple question, that he could have answered very selfishly. But he said, General Commissioner, are you not in fear of your safety? And he said, no. I am thinking about my people. You see, these are the people that are selfless. Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi is very selfless. He says, I am not greater than my people. I'm worried about the safety of my people. Once I know that my children will walk the streets freely, my people will walk the streets freely, my people would be living in a drug-free society, I will be a happy person. He could have said, no, I'll be in hiding. I've got people that are guarding me. And one thing that stood up for me was to get his subordinates that were standing next to him with their faces covered. You know why? Because he's a smart man. He knows, he says, no, nothing can kill me, but I'm worried about my colleagues. And he said to them, cover your faces, because he knows the rot within SAPS, within that organogram of SAPS, it's deep. He let them cover their faces so that they are not targeted individually. I'm telling you, we know so many things. SAPS is corrupt. Allegations and charges are just concocted and put together so that people can deal with people who are dedicated. I don't know how many people do we know of in SAPS who have been silenced for doing their job, for putting South Africa first, for putting their people first. But Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi is one in a million. In the name of good citizenry, he stood up and he said, this is going to come to a stop. I'm telling you, Shutintla Mkhwanazi have briefed the press before he went into that press conference. We would be sitting and speaking a different story. And I'm saying, do not move him from a position he is. Yes, you can move him from being provincial into national, but he's doing a good job. Ndanda is good in operations, and he's quite a good strategist. And I commend the people that are working with him. Unlike other people that we know, they assume offices just for selfish reasons. You are being put there at the helm, at the top, to put your people first, to think about your people, to run an office, a national office. You have the audacity to be receiving money from criminals so that you can deal with individuals that are prioritizing their country and the safety of their people. Some people are rotten, and it is true that the fish rots from the top, and this top is just rotten, and the stench is nauseating. It is nauseating. A whole minister, a national minister of police, does this. I am like Gautaba. I'm defeated. Leave Ntandla Mkhwanazi where he is, dealing with operations, and I'm telling you, we'll have a safe country. I'm just hoping that Interpol doesn't pinch him, because once Interpol can pinch him, we would have lost. And I'm hoping that nobody makes a recommendation that Ntandla Mkhwanazi becomes the minister, because they will go out of their way to go and destroy him. This country doesn't love black people. This country doesn't want good service. This country doesn't love people that are dedicated. I'm saying to Mewa Ntandla Mkhwanazi, blessed was your womb, because it carried gold. It carried something so amazing. It carried somebody that is so dedicated, who is not selfish. And Ntandla Mkhwanazi is saying, my people first. I'm raising my hand and saying, let the great gods of Azania protect you wherever you are. I'm raising my black power first and saying, we are in full support. We are behind you, Ntandla Mkhwanazi. You are the man. But Baborwa, let us stand up and support this young man. Azania shall prevail.